Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we've got a lot of work to do. As you can see in front of you, new suspension strut for the driver's side, new top mounted bearing, disc sand pads for the front, and I got the new tool for the tie rod. And for those of you that stuck around till the end of the last video, you also know I got the wheels back from Powder Coat and they look awesome. But before I can fit them on the car, we need to sort out this whole thing. So with that, let's just get on with it. And hopefully by the end of this episode, we'll be able to get the car down off the ramps and start detailing the inside. How good is this tool? That made that tie rod super easy to swap out. Right, so with the new tie rod in, what we need to do now is get the suspension done. So we need to get the spring off of this one and onto this one and fit it back in the car and then button all that side back up. So with that, let's crack on with it. Right, so as you saw, new suspension's fitted, tie rod's tied in, track rod's done as well, new discs and pads on this side. And the reason why I put new discs and pads on this side, if you look at how badly lipped the old discs are, they were going to need discs and pads soon anyway. And seeing as I had the whole side apart, it kind of made sense just to do it while I was here. Let's get the disc and pad changed on this side just quick. And then we'll put all four wheels back on and see if we've fixed the camber issue on this wheel, which I think we have. Right, distance pad's done on that side too. Happy days. But this side's a bit of a mess, so let's clean it up. And this side's a bit of a mess as well, so let's clean that up too. Much better. Now let's get some beautifully powder coated alloy wheels on it. See if we fixed the problem with that wheel. Well, as you can tell, the tracking's a wee bit out, but the wheel's now straight, which is happy days. And the newly powder coated wheels are looking awesome, but the engine bay definitely isn't. So before we lower it down off the quick jacks, let's clean that engine bay because it's a much more comfortable height for me to work at. So let's crack on with it. Right, so engine bay is fully detailed, looking super shiny, super awesome. Wheels are back on and torqued up to 135 Newton meters like they're meant to be, which is awesome as well. I am aware that I should have replaced the shock on this side as well, and I will do that in the future, don't panic. And that's going to be the end of this week's episode, guys and girls. In next week's episode, what we're going to do is we're going to sort out the tracking on this wheel, and we're going to get the car outside and start the exterior detail. Because as you can see, the car is just a wee bit dirty. And that will not fly on this channel, no sir. So as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.